Okay, so another great tip when trying to make a viral video is go to vidIQ. Go to vidIQ.com, and some of this stuff is free. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna type in a keyword right here. Let's take one like Facebook ads for me. Okay, this little dashboard is going to tell you the overall strength of like the 75. The higher the number, the better. They give you keyword ideas, and at the bottom, it's going to say some questions that people are asking. And then, of course, here goes the hack itself. Look for a thumbnail that's doing very well. Let's take one, for instance. All right, let's take a look at this one real quick. Boink. And what's going to happen is, we don't want the really video. Of course, take a look at the video, but we're looking for this thumbnail that's already doing well. So I want you to do is I want you to view full thumbnail here, and then I want you to right click and save image as. Boink, and just save it to your pictures or downloads or whatever. And then you're gonna open it in your editor like Photoshop, whatever the case is. Now Photoshop has a cool feature. All you do is select subject. See a little thing that says select subject, and it does a little cool little feature right there. And just delete him, and it says here. So then it says what color, and you just select the color that's already in the background already, and it selects it there right there, and just hit OK. And then we just click OK, delete, boink, and the bam. And now all you do is just put your picture right there. So you go over to your main picture of the person representing your company, and just drag them over here, and then just put it right here. Look, boink, and then you just resize it, of course. Oh, hold on. Okay, so what this is called is like stealing like an artist. So what you do is you find something that's already performing well, make some changes, and you make it better. So you don't actually steal anybody's designs. You just steal like an artist, take it, get some inspiration from it, and then make some changes, make it better.